welcome to another one of my tutorials. So in this tutorial we're going to learn how to make a ping pong two-player game. So you must have heard of the ping pong game, but this is different. It's a two-player game. So let's get started. We don't need a scratch card, so just delete it. I'm going to choose a backdrop. I like space and I like stars here, so I'll just choose stars, but you can choose anything you want. It doesn't really matter. And we need some variables, so I'll delete this one. Make a variable. I'll call it player1 score and player2 score. Make sure the variables are available to all sprites. I'm gonna choose a ball. Okay, we need to start coding the ball now. So first of all, we're gonna set player2. Okay, so when green circle, you'll set player 1 and player 2 go to 0, and of course we want it to show. Alright, so it's gonna point in direction like some 45. Yeah, 45 is good. 45 and we need to move 20 steps, and if on edge, bounce. So when it's touching edge, it'll just bounce. And put these two things in a forever loop. There we go. Alright, so we need some more sprites. First of all, we need a paddle. Go to costumes. I'm just gonna put any sprite inside. I'll just put red here, so I like it. Or you can just leave it blank, it doesn't really matter. But make sure that you turn it. You must turn it like vertically. Okay. Good. And make sure you center it. And so when green flag clicked, show. Okay, so now we're gonna start coding the paddle. Oh yeah, and I'm just gonna name it as player1. Player 1. So when green flag click show forever if key up arrow press change y by 20. Duplicate this. Do this for down arrow and just change it by -20. Alright, oh yeah, and make sure it goes like so. Now it'll just be like this. Okay, and make sure this paddle goes to some edge like this. So in the forever loop, I'll just put go to X here, and I'm just gonna set drag mode not draggable. Okay, so we could play one paddle, and I'll just duplicate this, delete this, and just put this as play two paddle. Okay, so here we just need to make some simple changes. Go to its edge, which is somewhat here. Okay, and make sure you leave a little space because we need that space. So put here and here. And change this. I'm just gonna put it W and S. W and this is S. Alright, so now you'll see like this. Why is that not working? Oh, I think we need to put this in another forever loop. Now will it work? It's weird. Why isn't it working? Right. Oh yeah, that's because we put this forever go to X command. Don't put this in a forever loop, just put it somewhere like here. Okay, so I think that's the mistake. Now it should come. And I guess we'll set the mode draggable. So now, yes, alright, it's working. So for one paddle's done, I'll just do this for the other paddle. Delete this code and put this code right here. Put the go to X command for here and not the same, and just put, I'm gonna put arrow keys, up arrow and down arrow. So now it'll be like this. Okay, I'm good. Alright, all you need to do, so now we've just done this much. So we've done the paddle and the ball. Alright, we must add a little more code to the ball. So this is optional, but I just like this. So I'll just take a, so as you see the ball has many costumes, it'll be nice to use them. So when we can click forever, wait like 0.5 seconds. And next costume. So now it'll be like this. The ball will change costumes, and I like that. This is optional. Okay, so now we need to choose a lion. So lion. Okay, choose it. Now it'll be coming like this. And again, you must put it vertically. Oh, just put this vertically. Oh, okay, this is good. Alright. Oops, make sure it's centered. And for that centering part, I'll just zoom. Okay, okay. I'm just gonna call it as player 1 line. Actually, I don't need this line, I'll just call it player 1. Make sure you put paddle so that the difference. The player 1 and this player 1 paddle. Okay. So now we're just gonna code the player 1 paddle. Actually, the paddle actually does not have any code, but you must just put this paddle right at the end of it. I'm just gonna put when green flag clicked, show forever go to X. So this is really simple. Duplicate this, put this for player 2, and just change the side. Just put it right here. Okay. So now we're gonna add some more code to the ball. Alright. So the code which we are gonna add now is like practically the main. Like the main code. Alright. So first of all, I'll just choose a sound. Boing. I don't want boing. I'll just go with pop. So take another when green flag click forever, and we need a if key if touching player 2, if touching player 2, make sure I put player 2, which is this. Okay, so if touching player 2, change player 1 score, player 2 score by 1, or you can also put yeah, I'll just put like this. So if touching player 2, change player 2 score by 1 and duplicate. Oh yeah, and we must put You must add a little bit more code. Turn right side like 300 degrees. Start sound pop. Go here. It'll be just nice to put a pop. So start sound pop. Move 20 steps. Move 20 steps and wait 0.5 seconds. Wait 0.5 seconds. Now you can just duplicate this. Put this here. If touching player 1, change player 1 score by 1. Alright, so now it'll be like this. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, you must just put this as opposite, like player 1 should be here and player 2 should be here. So it's like opposite. So whenever this ball is touching this line of player 1, it will change player 2 score, and whenever the ball is touching the line of player 2, it will change player 1 score. So now what you need to do is just pick a sound. I like trap beat. And then when green flag, get another when green flag click, or you can just put it here. Actually, just to make it properly work, I'm just gonna put it in another when green flag click for our loop. Alright, so now it'll be like this. Done. Alright, so that's the end of this tutorial. So please help me by subscribing to my channel and following me on Scratch. So bye guys, see you in the next tutorial.